Good day, cadets. I am Ajay Singh Rathore. Again, I am nobody to get you suggested what have you to do in your life. I am nobody to get you guided what have you to do in your life. But still, I want to state something great. I just want to talk about the skills. Nowadays, we have been living in competition era, or we are global citizen. Simple thing is that if we want to get us proved, if we want to get us proved in this world, then we would have to design our brand identity to prove our existence that we live in this world. Our presence cannot be ignored at any cost. We cannot be denied. Our existence cannot be denied at any cost. So, we have had to be proved it because we are global citizen. If you want to get us connected with this global era, then we would have to be more clubbed. We would have to be more clubbed with this world. We would have to develop our skills. Doesn't matter we have got many degrees, so many degrees from various universities, from various colleges, doesn't matter. Till that you are not going to be clubbed, your degrees are not going to be clubbed with your skills. Till that don't have any type of value in your career, in your life. They must be clubbed, they must be mixed up, they must be matched up with your personality, with your career, with your dreams, with your goals. Then it can be said that you have got something great in your life. You have got so many degrees, but you have not developed your skills, then your degrees are not valuable, worthless. So to get them worthful, beneficial for you, it is much required that you would have to develop some skills. You must have to be globally connected. You must have to be proved your existence in the world's platform, that you exist in this world. Your existence cannot be denied, ignored at any cost by anyone else. Then what would I have to do? Simple thing is that if you have called yourself, if you have assumed yourself that you are global citizen, then you must have to be known the global language, which can be considered English as a global language, as an international language. Because nowadays English is not being considered as a British language. It is going to be got considered. It is going to be got considered. It is going to be called as a international language or global language. Because being global citizen, it is much required that you have to be comfortable as far as English is concerned. Other thing is that computer skills are very much needed to get yourself developed, to get yourself progressed, to get yourself proved in this world, in this competition era. Then you would have to develop your skills, communication skills or computer skills, much required. Third thing is that third thing is that you would have to update your personality. You would have to update your version. You would have to upgrade your version according to this new era. What is the significant? What is the vital of your you would have to prove. It is much rare. Nailed it. It is not a cult. It is not mistake. It is not vulnerable. That what have you to do in your life? You have to decide. Only you are going to be decided it. You are going to be decided. Just you are going to be decided. Nobody can prevent you to do this. Your life rules must be yours. But your rules must be messed up, must be connected with this world, with this global era. Then they can be beneficial for you and others. Thing is that whole thing is that I'm just want to state is that you would have to prove your existence globally. You would have to prove your strength globally. Just I want to state. And to get it got, what have you to do? Nothing else. You would have to gain skills which is much required to get you proved globally. Simple thing is that. First thing is that you would have to be communicative in English. Second thing is that you would have to be comfortable in computer skills. Or third thing is that you would have to update your version. Okay. If you have got three things, if you have got developed three things, if you have got three things in positive manner, then definitely you can assume yourself that you have become a global citizen. Prove yourself. Globally prove yourself. I have not achieved something great in my life. I have not achieved. I'm not going to be stating myself that I am legend and I have got something great in my life and I have right to get you guided what have you to do in your life. Nothing. Just studying. If you like, then you can. Don't like, then Jai Mataji. Jaho forever.